Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder (ADHD) is a neurodevelopmental disorder that primarily affects children, although it can persist into adulthood. Here are some key things to know about ADHD. Symptoms. ADHD is characterized by three core symptoms: inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity. Inattention symptoms include difficulty sustaining attention, being easily distracted, and forgetfulness. Hyperactivity symptoms involve excessive motor activity, restlessness, and difficulty staying seated. Impulsivity symptoms manifest as acting without thinking, interrupting others, and difficulty waiting for turns. Diagnosis. ADHD is diagnosed based on specific criteria outlined in the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, DSM-5. Symptoms must be present in multiple settings, such as home and school, and have a significant impact on daily functioning. Diagnosis involves a comprehensive evaluation that considers medical history, physical examination, and information from parents, teachers, and other relevant individuals. Types of ADHD. There are three main subtypes of ADHD: predominantly inattentive presentation, predominantly hyperactive, impulsive presentation, and combined presentation. Predominantly inattentive presentation is characterized by primarily experiencing inattention symptoms, while predominantly hyperactive, impulsive presentation involves primarily hyperactivity and impulsivity symptoms. The combined presentation includes symptoms of both inattention and hyperactivity, impulsivity. Causes. The exact causes of ADHD are not fully understood. However, research suggests a combination of genetic, environmental, and neurological factors contribute to its development. There may be a genetic predisposition, as ADHD tends to run in families. Environmental factors, such as prenatal exposure to tobacco smoke, premature birth, low birth weight, and lead exposure, have also been associated with an increased risk. Impact on daily life. ADHD can significantly impact various aspects of an individual's life. Children with ADHD may struggle academically due to difficulties with organization, focus, and completing tasks. They may have challenges with social interactions and behavior regulation. In adulthood, ADHD can affect work performance, relationships, and overall quality of life. Treatment options. Treatment for ADHD typically involves a multimodal approach, combining different strategies. Behavioral interventions, such as psychoeducation, parent training, and behavioral therapy, aim to teach coping skills and improve self-regulation. Medication, such as stimulant or non-stimulant medications, may be prescribed to manage symptoms. Additionally, support at home and in educational or work settings can be beneficial. Coexisting conditions. Individuals with ADHD often have coexisting conditions, such as learning disabilities, anxiety disorders, depression, oppositional defiant disorder, odd or conduct disorder, CD. It's essential to address these comorbidities alongside ADHD to provide comprehensive treatment. Lifespan considerations. While ADHD is often associated with childhood, it can persist into adolescence and adulthood. However, symptoms may evolve and manifest differently in different stages of life. In adulthood, ADHD can present as difficulties with organization, time management, impulsivity, and maintaining relationships. Support and understanding. People with ADHD may face challenges related to stigma, misunderstanding, and societal expectations. Providing support, understanding, and accommodations can make a significant difference in their lives. Building a structured environment, breaking tasks into manageable steps, and promoting healthy lifestyle habits can all be helpful. It's important to note that ADHD is a complex disorder, and each individual's experience can vary. Seeking professional guidance from healthcare providers, such as psychiatrists, psychologists, or pediatricians, is crucial for accurate diagnosis and developing an appropriate treatment plan.